Hey, yo, what's up, guys? Moto Z here, and today we are doing a take apart these fake phone type things. So yeah, we are. My name's Moto Z, and we're with Remastered here, and so she's gonna be holding the camera while I take the sticker apart. So I don't know if you. I'm pretty sure I heard that you guys could like make these into real phones, but I'm not for sure. And if I get cut open, then I have it on camera. So it's a win-win. Oh shit. Or should I say shoot? Oh really, guys? So this is what they put in the fake phones. Now, one good thing about this, I think I could take off the metal and get into that part. So yeah, let's pause the video. Hey guys, so we are back. Now what you have to do, we have made our decision.
It's tore apart, ain't it?
Not yet. Now, if I can get this picture out. You into this?
Yes.
Do we need to pause the video and quit it?
No.
Is it okay?
Yes.
You're not going to get mad?
No.
Think yourself for YouTube.
That's the picture. Or did you tear up something that was good?
None of this shit's good.
It ain't?
I can probably reassemble it.
Like how?
Put it back together. So if this thing's junk, you're not going to get mad at me, are you?
No.
At the end. And you can't get it back together. Are you going to be mad at me?
No.
Okay. We should have talked over this before we started, shouldn't we have? Well, you said you wanted to go off starting to do it.
Well, I wanted...
I need to buy some parts off Amazon, but I think it'll work. Is that okay?
It's junk.
No, it's not. Don't say that yet. They actually put real parts in this. Yatta boy.
Yeah.
We just gotta get this picture out and start assembling it. You start the video?
Yes.
Are you mad?
No.
Sad?
No. I've been looking for that phone forever.
So this is what you're gonna have. Or I can take off the white piece.
Take off the white piece.
Are you sure you don't want to stop the video?
Good. So it will never work.
It could work. Get the camera on. How much time are we up to?
We're up to
3 freaking minutes.
that's good enough.
Do you want me to just stop right here? Start assembling it? Are you sad? Pause the video.